Want your kids to earn $20 today? It's easy with GoHenry referral codes. GoHenry is a safe money app for kids that teaches saving and spending with a kid card. When a friend signs up with your referral code and activates a card, you both get $20. First, create a parent account and add your child in minutes. Next, grab your unique referral code from the app's share menu. Share it by text, social, or a quick link, whatever's easiest for your family. When a friend signs up and funds the account, the bonus appears instantly in your child's balance. Tip: remind friends to activate the GoHenry debit card to unlock the reward quickly. Once the bonus arrives, your child can spend, save, or move it to pocketed goals. Repeat with more friends to stack rewards and teach smart money habits along the way. Ready to start? Open GoHenry, find your referral code, and share with friends now. Sign up today and let your kids earn their first $20. Fast, simple, and fun.